Hello, and welcome back to Crimble's MSP and Knucklepop MSP. Today we're gonna see what I've been doing since episode 1. This is episode 2. So I basically did the glitch to level us up, so I don't want to get banned on my other accounts. So yeah, and today we're gonna be playing red light, green light. See what I did? Red light meaning stop, and where is it? I bought it just now. Green light. Welcome to the SQUID gang. Let's make this clear. It's only a prank for a video. So let's get ready. I already made the outfit, so yeah. Let's see how everyone reacts. So I tested it and it was funny. Like I was literally couldn't stop laughing. So let's see where everyone is. Red light. Green light. Oh! That's not good, but let's collect the star coins and go. Let's see who. God, this is funny, but at the same time, I don't know. Red light. Green light. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Say hi, YouTube. And that's me done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, like, and put notification bells on, please. Bye.